Hi everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily make your body slim in a video using CapCut. So just add the video that you want to edit, a video of yourself for example, and after that click on the video here on a timeline and find the retouch option. Click on the body and here go to the manual and choose slim. So in here, position the I don't know why it's called, the line according to the part that you want to make slim. For example, like this, adjust it like this, and to make it slim, you can just swipe the circle to the right like this, and it will make the part smaller. You can always adjust it again like that. For example, you can always check the result first. Click on the check icon and just play the video. If you're satisfied, then that's it. So guys, that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also, click on the thanks. Thank you.